It's difficult to tell exactly what elastic bands you'll need because by the time it reaches this point, it's going to be so stretched out that measurements are not really accurate. Get one of these packets, under $10, one of the sizes is going to fit. If you check it out, taking this all off, I simply just kept winding it around until it would kind of hold the carriage up. But by the time it's all stretched out, it's way bigger than either one of these. For this Samson MTR 101A studio kit, we'll be using the larger of the two elastic bands. Place the carriage in the center. As for the crown, the elastic band will weave under the upper loop and then wind under the carriage's top hook. Work your way around, going from the crown to the carriage until you've completed the ring. At this point, it'll still be a little bit loose, so it's important to maintain downward pressure on the carriage's center ring to give it a degree of tension when placing that lower elastic band. This time, loop the band over the lower hairpin before alternating around the carriage's lower hook. Repeat the process until the ring is complete. And remember, maintain downward pressure on that carriage ring, and this install will go exceedingly smooth. Nice. Hey, if this video helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you pop that like button, and hopefully I'll see you again one day. Take care.